Hello everyone, as winters are here and some of you might already have started feeling dryness, redness or some kind of itching in your eyes. In today's video, we are going to discuss the causes, the symptoms and few tips and remedies on how to prevent these. I am Dr. Sneha Agrawal, Chief Cataract and Corneal Transplant Surgeon, Total Retina Care, Nagpur. So do watch this video till the end to know all the precautions you should take for your eyes this winter. The reason for discomfort in eyes in winters is because the humidity of the surrounding air decreases and it tries to suck in moisture from anything that comes in contact with it. For the similar reason, your skin feels dry in winter. Similarly, your eyes also feel dry in winter. Secondly, in winters, many people tend to skip their bath. So the hygiene is compromised. So the oily secretion which is secreted in the tear film decreases and tears evaporate faster. Also, winter is a time for all the allergens and allergies. As we start wearing woolen clothes, the fibers in woolen clothes, from the linen, all the house mites and molds, which are good allergens. Also, pollen grains are there everywhere around you. Another reason for dryness of eyes in winter is when air is blowing across your eyes, like when you're riding a two-wheeler or you're sitting in front of a heater, in front of fire, when the blower is on your face. So when air blows across your eyes, there's a lot of air which takes away the moisture gradually, and there is dust because the air is dry. So all these reasons contribute to eye problems in winters. After seeing the causes, let's look at some symptoms you might experience in your eyes this winter. The first one is dryness of eyes, excessive tearing of eyes, redness, itching, grittiness and crust formation in your eyes. When you're riding a two-wheeler, you might feel there's a lot of watering in your eyes, but that's actually dryness of your eyes. Your eyes are getting dried by the air which is continuously blowing across them, and it is the reflex tear mechanism of the body which is trying to cope up with the dryness in your eyes. With continued dryness in your eyes, there might be inflammation and your eyes might get red, and there might be itching and a feeling like something is hurting you. There's something inside your eyes, that's grittiness. In winters, when you get up in the morning, sometimes your lashes might be stuck. There might be some secretions or discharge on your lashes which might be sticky or like flakes. So this is a common symptom of dryness in winters. Do watch this video till the end because there's a bonus tip for you, especially for people who love to travel and enjoy winter sports. So now let's move on to the precaution. Enjoy the winter vegetables. Have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. Eat a lot of apricots, walnuts, avocados, blueberries, oranges and colorful vegetables. It's important to maintain hygiene in winters. Don't skip your bath because when you have your bath with warm water, it cleans your lashes, all the glands which are there on the eyelids, and so that the secretions, the oily secretions which are secreted from the glands in the eyelids, those keep your tear film moisturized and doesn't let your tears evaporate fast. Follow this simple hygiene routine. When you get up in the morning, clean the crust with warm water and a clean towel. Don't skip your baths, and every night before going to sleep, ensure that you remove your makeup before you sleep. Like you apply moisturizer to your dry skin, similarly you can put moisture drops in your eyes. But remember, these drops should be prescribed by an eye doctor to you and not just over-the-counter drops where we don't know about the sterility and the content of the drops. Wear protective eyewear when you are riding a two-wheeler or when air is flowing directly over your face. Ensure that no direct heat or direct blow of air is coming towards your eyes. Do not face the heater. Keep the direction of the air away from your eyes. It's like keeping a hair blower on your eyeballs. If you are facing any allergies like redness in your eyes, itching in your eyes, try to identify the allergen, like when you have it more. So you need to identify your allergen. Keep your room warm. Let sunlight come into your room for some time so that the house mites and moles, which are allergens, are killed by it. You should not ignore any allergies. Allergies need to be treated. There are drops and there is particular treatment for allergy. Especially in children, some children have a form of allergy which is called as vernal keratoconjunctivitis, and the sequelae of this disease can be very severe. Sometimes it can lead to keratoconus, or it can lead to muddy conjunctiva or long-term sequelae in children. So, if your child experiences any redness or itching in eyes, please see your eye doctor so that the condition can be diagnosed and treated timely. Thank you for sticking through the video, and here's the bonus tip for the travelers and winter sports enthusiasts. If you happen to travel with places with snow and ice, remember to wear UV protective goggles. The UV radiation gets reflected from the snow, and if they get reflected into your eyes, they can damage your retina or your cornea and you might lose your vision. While buying sunglasses, look for the label that says 100% protection against UVA and UVB both, or 100% protection against UV 400. Bright white eyes with that twinkle is the best makeup you can wear. So, keep that twinkle on by keeping your eyes well moisturized. Everything you are is seen in your eyes, so let your eyes speak how healthy you are. Thank you for watching this video. For more eye-related content, stay tuned. Also, follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you.